Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are managing employee data in Microsoft Entra ID and you want to turn that into digital business cards automatically, this setup is going to save you a lot of manual work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect QR code chip with Entra ID so your organization can generate and manage digital business cards directly from your directory data. Alright, let's start by connecting your Entra ID account to QR code chip. First, log in to your QR code chip account and from the dashboard, go to the integration, then Active Directory. Here, you will see Microsoft Entra ID. Go ahead and click on Integrate. This takes you to the setup page. Right now, the status will show as not connected. Go ahead and click Connect. This will open the Microsoft login screen in a new tab. Sign in using Entra ID admin account. Once you're signed in, Microsoft will ask you to grant permissions. Check the box to consent on behalf of your organization, then click Accept. After that, you will be redirected back to QR code chip. Now the status will change to Connected Analyzing Data, and you will also see the number of records being processed. This can take a few minutes depending on how many users you have. Now let's move to the setup inside QR code chip. This is the part where you define how the digital business cards will be created and organized. The setup is divided into 5 steps and we will go through them one by one. In the first step, you need to choose the branding for your SSO login URL. This is the link your team will use to log in and access their digital business cards. So this basically defines the login experience they will see. You have two options here. Option 1, QR code CHIM branding, is a default option. It uses QR code CHIM's SSO URL and keeps the standard login experience. And option 2, custom branding, lets you use your own domain, which gives you a fully branded login experience. If you go with QR code CHIM branding, just leave it as it is and click Save and Continue. If you select custom branding, you will see additional fields appear. To continue here, your account's white label setup must already be completed and activated. If it's not set up yet, click on Setup White Label. Complete the setup and then come back to this step. Once your white label is active, create an app in Microsoft Entra ID and add the redirect URI shown here. Then copy the application ID and the client secret value from your app and paste them into the fields here. If you need help creating the app, you can check the video in the top right corner. Once that's done, click Save and Continue. Now, in this step, you need to create an account ID. This acts as a unique identifier for your organization within QR code CHIM. Enter an account ID using letters and numbers. If you have already created one earlier, it will appear pre-filled and you won't be able to edit it. Once that's confirmed, click Next to continue. In this step, you will decide how your digital business cards are organized. If your Entra ID data is still being analyzed, these options may appear locked. Once the analysis is complete, they will unlock automatically. You can click Refresh to check the status. Now, you will see the 3 options. First, all-in-one group places all cards into a single group, which is the best for simpler setups and small teams. Second, by group organizes cards automatically based on directory fields like department, location, job title, and more. And the last one, by filter, lets you define rules to group cards based on conditions, so this gives you more control. If you want to explore these options in more detail, you can check the link in the description. For this video, we will go with by group. Here, we will group users based on country and department. This will organize cards into groups based on combinations of these fields. Once you have selected that, click Save and Continue. In this step, you decide how digital business cards will be created. You can either generate cards for all users or limit them to specific users using email IDs. In both cases, cards are created only for users who also match the structure defined in step 3. Generate for all users create cards for everyone within that structure. Generate for uploaded email IDs let you limit card creation to a selected set of users. Next, choose when the card should be created. You can create them immediately or only when users log in for the first time using SSO. When you use uploaded email IDs, you can add users by pasting a list, uploading a CSV, or selecting them directly from your directory. And the directory list will follow the grouping defined in step 3, which makes it easier to select users. For this video, we will go with generate for all users and we will keep the sync timing as create immediate. Below that, you will see email notifications and alerts. You can enable admin summaries and also optionally notify users when their cards are created or deleted. These settings are optional and they don't affect cards creation. Once everything is set, click Save and Continue. Now, in the final step, you will design your digital business card master template. What that means is, all cards created from your Entra ID data will follow this design. Click on Design Now to customize the master template. Here, you can design your card layout, add your branding, add contact details, and customize how the cards will look. You can also map fields, so data like name, designation, email, and all other details are automatically fetched from Entra ID and populated on each card. You only need to set this up once, and it will be applied across all cards in your organization. Now let me show you how to map fields and complete the setup. Now let's map your Entra ID data and finalize the setup. This is the point where your digital business cards become fully automated. Inside the editor, you will see different fields across the card. Some of these fields appear in gray with curly brackets. These are already mapped to your Entra ID. They automatically pull data from your directory. For example, the name field will display each user's name directly from Entra ID. Users can't edit these mapped fields. They stay in sync with your directory data and are centrally controlled. Now let me show you one example of how to map the fields. Go to the Content tab. Hover over the field you want to map and click on it. Then click on Choose a Field and select the corresponding field from Entra ID. If needed, you can add a fallback value, which will be used if the data is missing. Once done, click Add. Repeat this for all the fields you want to map. If there are fields you don't need, you can disable them. Next, go to the Design or Settings tab to adjust the look and feel of the card so it matches your brand. Once you are done, click Save. You will see a confirmation that your template has been saved successfully. Now click on Go to Users and Groups to return to your dashboard. From there, click Sync Now. And that's it. Your digital business cards will now be created and synced from your Active Directory. You will be able to view, share, and manage individual cards, and they will stay automatically updated based on your Entra ID data. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.